Welcome to another edition of the show. Austin Theory's meteoric rise in WWE was a testament to his undeniable talent and the backing of Vince McMahon. With his youthful charisma and impressive athleticism, he quickly became a top contender, aligning himself with Mr. McMahon and even cashing in his Money in the Bank briefcase on Seth Rollins. Please, before we continue, do not forget to like and subscribe. However, a series of questionable booking decisions and missed opportunities led to a significant downturn in his career. Theory's journey to WWE began in the NXT developmental territory, where he honed his skills and impressed with his in-ring abilities. His alliance with Vince McMahon, a storyline that saw him become the Chosen One, catapulted him to the main roster and into the spotlight. The early days of his main roster career were marked by high-profile matches and significant opportunities. His association with McMahon gave him a platform to showcase his talents and position himself as a future world champion. However, despite the initial push, the momentum began to wane. One of the most pivotal moments in Theory's career was his failed attempt to cash in his Money in the Bank briefcase on Seth Rollins. The botched cash-in, coupled with a series of underwhelming performances, led to a significant decline in his character's credibility. The backlash from fans was intense, and many questioned WWE's decision to push Theory so heavily. The once promising young star found himself in a precarious position, struggling to regain the momentum he had once possessed. Despite the setbacks, Theory has shown resilience and determination to bounce back. He has gradually regained his footing and re-established himself as a valuable asset to WWE. His recent performances have been impressive, and he has shown flashes of the brilliance that initially made him a standout. Theory's ability to adapt to different roles and work with various superstars has been crucial to his resurgence. He has proven that he can be both a charismatic heel and a sympathetic face, depending on the situation. The ups and downs of Austin Theory's career serve as a valuable lesson for both the young star and WWE as a company. It highlights the importance of careful booking and the need to balance short-term gains with long-term goals. While Theory's future remains uncertain, there is no doubt that he possesses the talent and potential to become a top star in WWE. By learning from his past mistakes and continuing to evolve as a performer, he can reclaim his position as one of the company's most exciting young stars. Austin Theory's journey has been a rollercoaster ride, filled with both highs and lows. His early success and subsequent struggles have provided valuable lessons for both the young star and WWE as a company. As Theory continues to grow and develop, fans will be eager to see what the future holds for this talented performer.